What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So this is episode 3. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see me build this car into a little bit of a drift pig and then go take it and smash it out at Matsuri in October. So we've got a couple months to get the car ready. So today we're going to be putting on my big bro, like big motherfucking wing. Who doesn't like a big wing, especially on an E36? So we got the wing here. This is one I actually ran on my old MX-5. Yeah, we're gonna be installing the big ass wing and it's gonna be hectic. Can't wait to show you guys. Let's install this wing. It's pretty easy. So we got the wing here. Plates, base plates. I'm gonna drill some holes. I'm gonna mark some holes, drill some holes. And it is gonna look magnificent, man. All right, let's put this wing on. I got that dead on first try. All right. Good name. Here we go. Alright. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about, man. Look at this. Far out. That is a big wing. Let's get some front action going. Oh, look at it. It's ready. It is ready. Oh. Oh my god. That's the one. That's the one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the E36 build. All it was chucking a big ass wing on, but hey, I thought that deserved its own video because this looks sick. Alright guys, I'll see you in episode 4. Thanks for watching, hit the sub and keep your eye out for more content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.